Howdy friends, it's Jen and we're heading out. It's beautifully foggy and we're heading out to the store. Living in the burbs, you see everything. Okay friends, my plans today are to go to Smart and Final because I want to get their dishwashing liquid for hand washing dishes. They sell it by the gallon and it's usually a pretty good price. Last year I found it for under, I think it was $4.95 for a gallon, and it's like equivalent to Dawn, which works just as good. And I've been keeping an eye out for it and I haven't seen it at that price on sale. So I think normally it's like $8, but I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up regardless if it's on sale or not, because okay friends, so I'm here at Safeway. You can't see it because I'm too far. I parked too far on one side of the parking lot. However, I'm here because Safeway has advertised their Lucerne store brand 16-ounce butter quarters are on sale for $1.99 if you add the coupon. So $1.99 for a pound of butter is awesome. And when I saw in their paper yesterday, it said it was limit 1. However, the digital coupon says limit 4. So I'm going to go ahead and get 4 pounds of butter for $1.99 each. That's a good price. So let's go ahead and do a haul in the trunk in the car. This is from Smart and Final. This was a little over $5 for a gallon. And then I picked up this gallon for, I don't remember how much. Paper plates. This was on discount. Forks. Okay, so I got this butter for $2.99 at Smart and Final because I thought the Safeway one. Okay, so Safeway said $1.99 for a pound of butter, and it said right here, limit 1. So that's why I picked up this one. However, so when I looked in my app, Safeway app on the phone, it said limit 4 at $1.99 each. So of course I picked up 4. Okay, and I also picked up this party snack pack for the kids, and some conditioner, and some hairspray. Okay, and this 24 pack of bottled water was $1.49 after, oh shoot, it said limit 2, darn it, after the coupon. And then I picked up this here too. This one was limit 1, I got confused. Okay, and then moving on to Dollar Tree. I already opened these, but these were a bag of crunchy peanuts. Those are my favorite, I love those. I picked up this from my grandson so he can learn while he's on a little break. I thought this was interesting. I need to start reading some books. This book was only $1. Looks like an interesting read. And anyways, looks pretty interesting. So I thought I'd give that a whirl. And I picked up my friend Mike from Life with Mike. Picked up a Valentine's card for he and his family, a greeting card for them. Check him out, he's a real swell guy. And I wanted to give this a try. Picked up a toothbrush. And for our waste baskets, I just picked up a cheap little $1.22 count of bags for our restroom basket, waste baskets, and a temporary shower curtain till I find one that we like. And picked up some of these type of plates for just small snacking, nothing too, you know, gravy-ish or too hot, maybe like sandwiches and snacks. And last but not least, picked up some body powder. Okay, friends, so that is the end of my shopping excursion. I went to Smart and Final. I went to here, Safeway. I'm at Safeway. Oh no, I went to Smart and Final. Then I went to Dollar Tree. And then I'm here at Safeway, and the last thing I need to do is go to the post office, send off my friend Michael and his family a greeting card. Okay, friends, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, friends, and thank you, friends, as well for subscribing to those channels that I did on a shout out. I greatly appreciate it. They're really sweet friends. And I'll catch you in the next video, and I'll see you later. Bye.